Enhancing wheat growth and yield through nanofertilizer applications, a study on Triticum aestivum var. Shriram Super 252. By Tashi Chowki Bhutia, Tabith Dombyaksyam, Nongmathim Jyotsana and M. Shuli Arena. The present study explores about enhancing wheat growth and yield through nanofertilizer applications. Nano plant growth regulators, PGRS, are a multifaceted field and have vast applications in all spheres of life, but in agriculture the application and utility are limited. Nano fertilizers facilitate the slow and constant release of nutrients and, therefore, decrease the loss of nutrients and improve the efficiency of the use of nutrients. It releases multiple types of nutrients simultaneously and is effective for the growth and yield of wheat. These nanoparticles have high reactivity, better catalytic surface, rapid chemical reaction, rapidly dispersible and absorb abundant water. The present research was conducted on wheat, Shriram Super 252, at the Agricultural Experimental Farm of Calcutta University, Baruipur, 24 Parganas, South, West Bengal, to study the effect of various nano-PGRs on the growth and productivity of wheat. The experiment was laid out in a randomized complete block design with 3 replications. 10 treatments, T, with various doses of nano-PGRs were given along with nitrogen, N, phosphorus, P, and potassium, K. The treatments of the experiment are T1 is equal to control, T2 is equal to NPK at 100:50:50 and foliar spray of green nano PGR at 0.5 ml L-1, T3 is equal to NPK at 75:30:30 and foliar spray of yellow nano PGR at 0.5 ml L-1, T4 is equal to NPK at 75:30:30 and foliar spray of red nano PGR at 0.5 ml L-1, T5 is equal to NPK at 75:30:30 and foliar spray of green nano PGR at 1 meter L-1, T6 is equal to NPK at 75:30:30 foliar spray of yellow nano PGR at 1 meter L-1, T7 is equal to NPK at 75:30:30 and foliar spray of red nano PGR at 1 ml L-1, T8 is equal to NPK at 75:30:30 and foliar spray of green nano PGR at 1.5 ml L-1, T9 is equal to NPK at 75 hours 30 minutes and 30 seconds. And foliar spray of yellow nano PGR at 1.5 ml L-1, T10 is equal to NPK at 75:30:30 and foliar spray of red nano PGR at 1.5 ml L-1. Various treatments showed a positive impact on wheat cultivation in comparison to control. In spite of the positive role of enhancing plant growth and yield by the nanoparticles, studies have emphasized the harmful nanoparticles' impacts on plants. All the yield attributing characters showed that the usage of different doses of green nano PGR through foliar application has positive effects compared to yellow and red nano PGR, and the lowest was from control. Therefore, with the help of nano PGRS, it is reported that it maximizes crop yield, reduces crop failure, decreases agricultural waste, and improves environmental stress responses. It will also help farmers in using PGRS in precision agriculture, making farming more sustainable and mitigating the effect of climate change on crops. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.